Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening a connection. Ensure SSH key authentication is working and Rsync exists on both machines. Once done, test SSH user at desk to verify connectivity. Then pick the exact source path and destination path and prepare an Rsync command scaffold. Run a dry run first with dry run to see changes without modifying files. This prevents surprises. Make sure to note user, host, and trailing slashes. These change behavior when syncing directories. You now build the full command and explain why each option matters. Use rsync avs to preserve attributes, show progress, and compress transfers. A equals multiple preservation flags grouped. If you need exact mirrors, add delete but be cautious. Run with dry run first. For custom SSH, include SSHP 2222i/path/key so Rsync uses the right port and key. Start the transfer. Monitor output for skipped files, permission warnings, or bandwidth spikes so you can intervene quickly. You finish by validating the transfer. Check file sizes, and when needed, use Rsync checksum to force content verification. Once done, adjust ownership and permissions with sudo chown and chmod so services can read new files. If the transfer was interrupted, rerun the same rsync command. It resumes incrementally, copying only changed parts. One key troubleshooting tip. If SSH auth fails, test SSH VVV user at desk to inspect key negotiation. Fix known hosts, key permissions, or agent forwarding before repeating the sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.